Well, I'm going to open your box, so here it is. And my hamster's going to open it for me. Open it. Okay. I don't think she wants to open it. Hamster, open the box. Open the box. Okay, no. Thought she was going to bite the tape off. I think she doesn't want to open it. Hamster, why don't you want to open it? You're being lazy. Anyways, I'm gonna open your box right now. But I painted my room. It is now green. See? It is all green. It's all green. All the room is green. And she's still not sure where to start. It's a mess. There's a lot of manga too now. Over there. And this is my giant pile of clothes I need to fix. And I have to shut and open it. I'm going to open it for her. Okay. Hamster, start with the camera. Look at the camera. Okay. Oh, that's not the tape. Why does this have so much tape? Okay. It has a lot of tape. Okay. Take off all the tape. I'm gonna open it. There's still more tape on it. Hold on. Okay. Here's your giant box of DVDs. It's still sealed. And there's all season 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the back of it. It has 2 pairs of 3D glasses. Oh, that's cool. Well, there's a few 3D episodes and 3D glasses. Cool. Blah, blah, blah. Complete series. 22 DVDs. There's your box. And there's my hamster wandering around. Let's see if she. Hey, don't bite that. See? Now she wants to bite something. Where'd you go? You being sneaky. Look at her. She's trying to be sneaky. Yeah. So there's your box. Hold on. And there's my hamster. Now she's gonna eat it. Eat it, hamster. Oh, look, she's eating it. Oh, wait, she stopped. Eat it. Fine, hamster, don't eat the ball.